We want to change the global face of children's medicine through research and clinical developments so we can give a better life for children suffering from severe, rare and complex diseases.
The landscape is changing for neurological conditions of childhood, that actually no more can we say that these are untreatable conditions, that we can find the gene, we can understand the disease processes and move towards novel treatments for these previously untreatable conditions.
That is what the Zayed Centre for Research will do. Extraordinary gift from Sheikha Fatima, and we're deeply grateful for that. We hope that this gift build a really special facility and centre that will change the lives of children, not just at Great Ormond Street, but worldwide through innovative gene therapies and cellular therapies and new treatments. And in changing these lives, we will also be changing medicine for these complex disorders.